Let's see how to design the collar of the knuckle joint. Collar consists of two dimensions, total three, that is outer diameter, inner diameter and thickness. Outer diameter is considered as capital C, inner diameter is D1, thickness is considered as E, that is 15 mm. Let's open a new file, new part file, sketching, select top plane, select top plane, top view, select circle. From origin, draw one circle of diameter capital C. Capital C is 45 mm. Enter 45, fit, exit. Again draw one circle. Again from origin point, draw one circle of diameter D1, that is 30 mm. Enter 30. OK. Escape. Control I. Isometric view. Select extrude. Select both the circles. Accept. We can make it symmetric or we can use blind. At a distance of thickness capital E. This is capital E, that is 15 mm. Enter 15 mm. So this completes our collar. Save the file.